son of immigrant parents that have shown me to respect and value everyone. Just like me and all the kids in this country, we have the right to dream and make those dreams come true.
Starting May 7th, that's 8 weeks from today, you'll need to get a real ID if you want to fly within the United States or enter certain federal buildings and military bases. A real ID is an advanced version of a driver's license or a state ID. It's marked by a star in the top right corner. All this indicates is you've met an extra layer of federal security standards. To get one, you need to make an appointment at one of the state's local division of motor vehicle locations. You can still show your passport in place of a real ID. If you're still unsure whether you need it, check with the State Department of Motor Vehicles. You'll find more news.
I think it's clear. The argument in favor is that, well, this is bad, and well, almost every Democrat in the House and almost every Democrat in the Senate opposes what Donald Trump and Elon Musk are doing. The risks of shutting the government down may be greater because we don't know what this unusual president.
GoPro, stop recording.